Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So we are back and today I am going to do another challenge. So I am going to challenge myself and see how much I can crochet in 12 hours. So specifically for this first one, I am going to see how many scrunchies I can make in 12 hours. Also, before we start, I would like to take a moment and ask you guys to subscribe to my channel. I really hope to reach 350 subscribers in this month. So yeah, fingers crossed for that. And also, as I told you in the previous video, we are going to do like a huge market next month, so I want to prepare for that. So that is one of the main reason I'm doing this video. Anyway, more about that later. So currently it is 12:01 and I'm going to start this challenge. So I have all my yarn right here and I'm planning to make at least like 5 scrunchies of one yarn before I switch, so that we can have like a good stock before the end of the challenge. So I'm just going to set it up and then I'm going to talk to you. Okay, so I am going to use this 4.5mm crochet hook and I'm going to start with this red color. I also have like this little box right here to store my scrunchies, like the scrunchies I make. Okay, so it's officially 12:05 right now and we are going to start our challenge with this red color. I did make like one red scrunchie yesterday, so what I'm going to do is like make 4 more and then maybe switch to another color. I'm not too sure about that. Basically it just takes me around 15 to 20 minutes making one scrunchie, and obviously I'm going to take breaks which will be included in the 12-hour period. So including all the breaks I take, let's just assume that we can work for like, I don't know, like 7 hours at least, because I have to give my hands a break as well. And also I have like a class today, like I am going to teach a girl how to crochet, like the basics. So that is a 1 hour long class, so obviously I'm not being able to crochet during that. With the challenge I'm not going to crochet. I need to focus on teaching her. So yeah, I think, and then we will have lunch and dinner. So excluding all that part, I think I can crochet for like 7 hours, and I feel I can just make around 35-40. You can be free to just mention the number of scrunchies you think I can make in this time period, and yeah, let's see who will guess the right amount. So for the pattern of this scrunchie, I don't really follow like a specific pattern. I've seen people make scrunchies. I just feel that I have taken like a couple of patterns from here and there and I have combined them to make this scrunchie. So what I basically do is just start with a single crochet around my rubber band, whatever you call it, and then I do 3 double crochets in each stitch around the circle. I understand I should have like started this challenge earlier today, but last night I slept at around 2 o'clock and I could not wake up early. I woke up around like 11 and then I had to do some chores and freshen up and everything. So yeah, it's 12 now. But I just feel that I am a night owl, so that is fine. I can stay up till around 12 easily. But another thing that I need to keep in mind is that today is Sunday and I have work tomorrow, so I have to get up early. So normally what I do once I am like close to finishing it, I just stretch it a bit so I can see if I can see the black ponytail holder beneath it. Also we have like a cricket tournament kind of thing going in our ground that is behind us, so if you hear some noises, yeah, that's because of the cricket match. So I have started the road too. I just feel I need some easing into it. It's just the start of the day and I just feel that at the start of the day I'm slow, and then once I keep on crocheting then I get fast. I don't know if it even makes sense. Guys, so it is 1:10 right now and we have finished 4 of our red scrunchies here. They look very pretty. I have not weaved the end, but I'll do that later. And now we are going to take a quick break. I am going to do some exercise, have my lunch, and post that we will choose another color to start. So yeah, let's just take a quick break. It will be like 5 seconds for you guys. So hey guys, I am back. It is currently 2:06 p.m. right now and we are now going to start with orange. So we had chicken for lunch today and my stomach is just so full. I'm just fighting the urge to take a nap right now. So I am going to watch something. Probably I'm just going to continue with the challenge videos of Kelsey I was watching, or I might just switch to Harry Potter. I don't know, because I need to just keep my mind off taking a nap. And then the class I was talking to you about, it's at 4:30, so I am going to start prepping for it around 14, I guess. So I mean, everything is decided. I've got the beginner kit and everything for her. I just need to assemble it. But yeah, I think that's the plan. I just need to assemble it somehow. I really like the colors that I've chosen. I just feel, and they're really soft, so they make like great scrunchies as well. Okay, so I need to put my laptop on charge and then I'll start watching some videos. I just remembered England versus India ODI time, so I'm going to watch that. Yeah, let's just start.
Phil Salt joined in the fun.
Hello, we are back and we have finished 5 of our orange. So now in total we have 9 scrunchies that are made. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to finish this up, like I am going to sew this ends in so that it's like 100% finished. I know I said I was going to do it at the end, but I just feel that in the end sewing up like 15-20 scrunchies, I would be like, I won't do it. So it's better to do it now, like when we have like a relatively small number rather than doing it all at the end. Also, I was thinking if I should make one more of the red, so the number is up to like 10, so it's like a nice round number. I'm not sure if I want to do it or not, because then we will have like one extra scrunchie of red color. I mean, what's the half? This is number 1. I just really like the size and it just looks so pretty and it is very soft. I'm just going to quickly finish all of this up and then we'll think about if we want to do another red and make 5 of those red, or just start with a new color. Okay, we have finished all the scrunchies to the fullest. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 right now, and it is 3:56 p.m. and I have decided to not do another red. We are just going to pick up a new color. So this is like my velvet yarn bag and I am now going to choose this peach color, I guess. Yeah. And I also have some tan color rubber band. So I am thinking, as this is a light color, I am going to use some of those. So yeah, let's just start with this new color and make 5 of these. Okay, so as I told you guys that I am watching India versus England right now, and there were times where I just stopped crocheting and was so immersed in the match, and that's why it's been 4 hours and we have just finished 9. So that's not expected. Also, I have been very sleepy. It's like the post lunch tiredness that you feel. So I'm like literally chicken tired right now. If someone just asked me to take a nap, I would, but my naps are like 3 hours long. So then this video will have like 10 scrunchies because I won't crochet after. So I'm just going to power through it, continue making this peach color. I maybe like I will make one of these and then I'll just stop, because as I told you, I have like that class at 4:30. So this will probably take me like it will be 4:15 by then, and then I'll show you the little package I packed for that for my students. So yeah, I mean that's the plan right now. Oh, by the way, if anyone is wondering, England is 192 for and it's been 34 hours. Okay, so we have officially completed our first peach color. Obviously, I'll sew this a bit later. But yeah, it is 4:20. I was watching and I was crocheting. So yeah, so it's 4:20. I just wanted to show you guys the things I'm going to give her for her first class. So let's start with this Olivia yarn. As you know, I really like Olivia yarn and it's a bit thicker, so it's better for a beginner. But this is the color, it's a dark green. And then we obviously have our signature crochet hook set. It has all the hooks from size number 2 till 8. So that is great. I use the same one, by the way. Then we have a scissor, obviously, because who does not need a scissor? And again, this is the same one which I use. Like, yeah. And then last but not the least, we have this little packet in which I have like a Dardik needle. This is a straight one because again, I think it's better for beginner because it's not much slippery. And then we have a couple of stitch markers. So yeah, I think that is it. So I'm going to give this to her. And yeah, I think she will be here in like 5-10 minutes. So I'm just going to set that up. And I'll let you know when I'm back and we can continue with our scrunchies. Also, if I do, I don't think I will get time. But if I do, I will keep making the scrunchie probably. But yeah, I'll give you the final update because I don't want to shoot in front of her. So yeah, let's just continue with that. And I'll see you guys at around 6 probably. Hello guys, I am back and it's 6:40 right now. Yeah, that was a long break. But I did shoot some content, like a vertical content for my shorts, so that's a good thing. I did all my household chores, and we also had like a successful crochet lesson. Everything went great. But now I am going to seriously start crocheting. Also, while I was teaching her in between when she was doing her, like she was practicing, I did end up finishing one of the speech ones. So now we have two of them ready with us. So yeah, that's that. I still need to make three of those. So I'm going to start with that, and then we'll get back. Also, I think the chase is on. So I'm going to keep watching the match and continue with our scrunchies.
Does it better feel like he's back?
Okay guys, so I am officially done with this peach color. I really like it, and now I am going to take like a quick 5-10 minutes break just to relax my hands a bit, and then we are going to start with this maroon color neck. It's exactly 7:30 by the way, if you're wondering. Rohit Sharma is playing great, Shubman Gill is playing great. Yeah, I'm just going to be back in like 10 minutes. So it is 11:13 p.m. and I think that is it for me. My hands are starting to hurt a bit, and I just don't want to, stretch too much, because if I want, I can crochet for another 45 minutes, but I just feel if I do so, my hands will be affected, and I don't want that to happen. So we are just going to stop here. So the good news is that our scrunchy basket, it's full. So now we are going to count all the scrunchies that we made in 11 and a half hours, whatever it was. So yeah, let's just count it together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, and that's it for the hand. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 and 22. So we made 22 scrunchies in this 11-12 hours period, which I think is great. It really helped me make inventory for my market. So if you guys want to see any similar videos of me making something for 12 hours, let me know in the comment down below. Also, let me know how I did in this video. Can you do better than me, or this was great? Did you think that I did very nice as per the standards, or whatever? Just leave down your views in the comment box below. And yeah, I think this is a great number of scrunchies that I made. Also, I just love the colors. Look at it. Look at how it okay, so that is it for this video. Hope you really like it. If you do, hit that like button, comment down below on how you think I did. Also, I request you to take a moment and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram It's in the description box below. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next Friday. Bye.